Hey guys, so quick video. If you have issue that Amana washer is not working, not agitating, and as you can see, like this is what happening in this video. Is like, do you see like what is happening, right? So, what you need to do, this is like actuator, and it's a straightforward repair. Need a 516 drive for plastic carbon Phillips for the actuator. And actuator is stuck in a spin configuration. So this is something that how you to replace it. So go Amana actuator, and you want to check whatever video on how to do it, and then you just like replace it. So this is something that you need to do and replace. It's like that's something like when you're gonna come here to Amazon, look on your model and then just like order it and buy it. So and replace it.